Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial, where we will be explaining you how to set up a post-purchase flow in Klaviyo. Let's jump right into it. First, log into your Klaviyo account and head over to the Flows section from the left-hand menu. Once you're there, click on the Create Flow button. You'll now see a variety of flow templates available. Since we're creating a post-purchase sequence, scroll through and select the post-purchase template. After selecting it, click on Create Flow to start building. This template comes preloaded with essential steps for following up after someone makes a purchase. The default trigger will be set to placed order, which means the flow will automatically start when a customer completes a purchase. Once the flow loads, you can click on any step, such as an email or delay, to customize the content or adjust the timing. This allows you to tailor the experience based on your brand or product. And that's it, your post-purchase flow is now ready to help you engage with customers and build long-term relationships right after their order.